grow potatoes. Potatoes need loose soil in order to grow. These are containers that we have left over from different things we bought at the farm. We don't like to throw out anything. As you can see, it is a plastic container that's been cut. Later on in this video, I will show you the tool that you need to use. From one container, you can get 3 potato containers. In the bottom one, you put in a square like this. It's very, very important that potatoes are able to grow their roots. Now, one thing I want to tell you about growing your own potatoes, and Creamy reminded me to tell you, make sure that you do not eat green potatoes. That's really the most important thing from this video, is remember, never ever eat green potatoes. They are poisonous. When your potatoes come in, put them in a large paper bag. Try to eat them within 3 days because you will find the taste is much different. With the potatoes that you have left over, what you need to do is, as I said earlier, put them in a large paper bag and put them down in your cellar. The starch in the potato changes them and it makes them so that they're not as good to eat. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding growing potatoes in New England or about Creamy, let me know, please. I thank you for watching this video and please have a safe day.